Oh, look at this view. Welcome to another hiking video at Sint-Pietersberg in Maastricht. This is the second video where we are hiking at 11-kilometer route in this wonderful nature area. My name is Patrick, aka Raouf, and I'm doing these videos. Oh, horses. Hello. Hi. So, sorry, I got distracted by the horses. So this is the first route that I'm going to be uploading, and this is second video. Most likely it will be 2 or 3 videos because it's pretty long and big area, so do keep that in mind. I might have to midway switch the camera battery, so don't mind that. I have to go straight. With this video series, this is a video series of exploring Limburg in the Netherlands, and eventually we will move up to North Brabant, Drenthe, Gelderland, etc., and we will end in Friesland. We will be exploring with these hikes nature, the hidden gems of the Netherlands, and we want to see what we can find, because most foreign people that I speak to actually only know Amsterdam, Rotterdam, maybe Den Haag as visiting when visiting the Netherlands, but we are much more than just this, and I hear that feedback a lot. I hear it from the Germans, I hear it from the Belgians, that their country is underappreciated. So with these videos I'm trying to show you with the content what you're missing, and also a possibility, holy shit that's deep, also a possibility for you to explore yourself. I have the idea that I'm walking wrong. No, I'm not. Okay, so like in the last video, I will just kick it off at the side as well. This video is also sponsored, or better said, supporting the charity cause called Make-A-Wish International, the organization that makes it possible for children that have an incurable disease like cancer to grant their wish and become something else for a day, to take their worries away for a day. And that can be a child can, I already saw wishes like becoming a streamer, becoming a pilot, becoming, what was it again, a photo model or a fashion designer, but also some children just wish for a console like a PlayStation or an Xbox or a Swift, so, or a PSP, that's also possible. And with these, with the donations you can miss with a minimum pay for 3 years, I think, or $3 because of PayPal stuff. you can help. You can help with donating towards a cause, towards Make-A-Wish come true. Oh, look at this view! Wow, totally worth it. So yeah, but I do say but. If you cannot miss it, do not feel obligated to donate, because I rather want you to then spread the word of this charity and maybe this video and make it possible. You know, spreading, networking is also a contribution towards the Make-A-Wish International, and make it possible for wishes to come true. So, in advance, thanks. If you do not want to donate, that's also okay. It's a free choice, of course. Then enjoy the video. I do tend to talk a lot. I try to be more quiet so you can enjoy the surrounding, because it's really quiet. We have to go straight. What's this? A very deep hole. I actually don't know if we are in Belgium right now. Yeah, we are in Belgium. Nice. This is yeah, this is Belgium. Oh, that's why. I know there's some Belgian signs and everything, so I was like, are we in Belgium? Ah, nice. So, all right, so we are soon reaching point 12. Let's see. All right. Alright, let's see. Straight ahead we suddenly have to go left. Don't know where. I think that's where the dude is coming from. Yeah. We need to go we have here? Right. Yeah. Well, we don't have to go further into Belgium, that's for sure. We have to go this way. I think at point 12, might have to check out the battery. If we can continue, I will continue. If not, then I will have to change the battery. Sorry, I was checking out this route, but you can just pass by it. Still, you think if you see fencing like that, it's restricted? It's not. It's more to hold back bikers, motorcycles and stuff like that, and cars, because this area is protected and it needs to stay in its, you know, in its same shape without any interference of humans. Alright, I think we have to go left because this was a shop, but brief around. Let's see. I am right. We're still on the yellow one. That's interesting. We are going down even more. Oh, I'm not looking forward to the other side, because when I was going from the car, I noticed that we went down. The other side went down where I ended. I was like, oh, nice, chill. We're going down. So, but it seems that we have like a wave kind of route, which is not good for me. Oh well. Be careful with these kind of routes, especially in the winter when it's slippery and everything. Be very careful. I think we are going like towards river banks level with the route. You can hear the dogs in the distance. So particularly I don't take my dog with me, as you have noticed that it's quite busy here, and my dog loves to get attention, so I do separate walks with him. Yeah, we are going to river area. So on my right side is the river called Maas. It's the biggest one that comes from Germany, the Alphen, and goes down into the Netherlands. I particularly don't know where we have to go. I think we have to go straight. No. No, we have to go right. Dang it. I had my hopes up that we had to go straight. But we have to go down even more. Like someone said before, what comes up must come down. For some reason I hate it right now. So another tip, if you have been watching this video, the previous video, most likely I will link it somewhere. If you watch that, I already gave the tip to bring some fluids with you. In my opinion, water and something sugary like Fanta, Cola or something like that, to balance your sugar level. If your salt level also drops like a anchor, bring something salty with you. Holy shit, this route is not okay. rocks, not comfortable to walk on. Alright. So I actually have no idea where I am. Let's see. There are a lot of caves here, by the way. And it's pretty steep down. Holy sheesh. She's kebab. I'm trying to find a safe route down here. Wow, that's a steep hill for a mountain biker. Sorry, I was distracted. So yeah. But other tip 2, get some good shoes. Like I'm wearing hiking shoes not because of my hobby is hiking. No, it's because of my mail. My neighborhoods are pretty distant, and having good shoes with those neighborhoods is essential. So it's the same here. Having good shoes is quite essential. Now, I do notice that how more expensive they go, how shorter they live. Like, I went to a different shop that was glorifying these shoes. Now, I could get it with a discount, so it's like, okay, fine, I will get it. But it was around, I think it was like 120 euros. And I was like, oh gosh, that's too expensive. Well, in the end, I paid like 60 bucks. They said, like, these shoes will hold it for 3 years. I'm like, okay, but I'm a mailman. That's quite different. Nice. I just noticed it. It's like a steep wall. Anyway, so I was right, basically. The shoes did not hold for 3 years. It held for exactly 1 year, not even. So that sucks. Like, damn. These are firestones, I think. Yeah. We'll check it out. So if you're wondering why I'm not picking up a stone, is because this area is rich with firestones, where you can use it for fire. Oh, gotta be joking me. And well, I do a different hobby as well. It's called reenactment, where you try to, show in the most authentic way how they lived in the old times. And with my group, we are doing 1st century, so it's quite interesting. But they used, firestones. Well, okay. All right, so we are down, and I'm treading already the road. Oh, we're already past 12. Okay, and the battery is still holding. Kinda. Well, this is 21%. Where am I supposed to go? I have to follow the road. Oh, you can exactly see that you're in Belgium. First the cars. That's still a Dutch car, but still. The houses. The way it's placed here. Because Belgium has a unique flavor. Belgium's signs of the car is like red. Just so you know. Belgium also has their own choice when it comes to picking their own houses. So it's not the same everywhere, which is okay. It's a unique flavor. Not my kind of flavor, I have to admit. But that's because I'm born and raised in the Netherlands, which everywhere is pretty much the same thing. So it's it does look lovely here. You have to admit to that. Alright, so we're reaching almost point 13. And I hit a bloody bush that stung me. This looks very American for some reason. It gives me vibes of America. Anyway, we have to continue straight on, and suddenly on the end of that street, well, almost end, we got we have to cross the road. Oh, it was the mail. Didn't know that it brought it here as well. Or maybe she was here. I don't know. Random talk. I think we have to cross the road. Yeah, we're close. We're not on the intersection to the Netherlands yet, but we're close to 13, which tells something about dinos. Okay. Alright. Belgian people are lovely people, in my fair opinion. I adore them. They're so wonderful and nice and everything. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, therefore, a second my shoelaces were loose. Alright, let me check on the battery of the camera. Oh, 23%, okay. We're still good, we're still Gucci. And we're only 20 minutes in. We're gonna make it. Alright, so where the car is, we have to cross. That white car. We have to cross that. Then go into the bush. Follow that route. Okay. It's hard, I think that's... Wow, these houses made very interesting. Oh, Belgian police, I think. Okay, we have to cross here, past the police, go straight, go past here. Okay. Point 13 is right there. Yep, yep. We have to go straight. Verboden toegang for drivers with a ski and all motorcycle. Okay, that's why they are getting stopped. They were using a boat with a engine, which is forbidden here in this area. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. Alright. We have to go straight. You can use a canoe here. Canoe. Boat, whatever. But no engine. Look at this. Wonderful. I really love it. Alright, we have to go straight and we're almost crossing the border again. It's really a change of view in Belgium and in the Netherlands. I have to speak louder because of the wind, but sorry. Okay, so we have to resume our course in this bush. Maastricht. We have to follow back. Alright. Oh boy. Itchy plants. Alright, so yep, got it. Battery is still 19%. Alright, so when we are back in the Netherlands, when I got a bench, was like I will have to switch up the battery of the camera. And in the meantime I also walk blind because my phone is also dying, so I have to charge that one as well. Luckily I have a power bank. Yay, I'm prepared. But I don't have a cable that's long enough, you know. I did order it. Okay. Well, Mars is quite unrestly, quite wild. So it is possible to swim in it. I do not advise it because the currents are pretty strong in here. But there's somewhere, I don't know where exactly, somewhere's here or further on, you can swim in here. I don't know where, but not exactly here, because I did do it in the past. Well, my friends did, I didn't. The idea was that at that time for me too scary, because the timing that the current could, you know, just grab you. No, thank you. There's a bench here, but I'm not going to sit here because the chance that I will, you know, roll down is pretty high. I never say never. I might not be that clumsy, but I will see myself do that. I have to say, the first piece of the route, like a video 1, was quite difficult but video 2 is it's better, it's smoother, so yeah. Okay, I think we are reaching the border. Let me check. No. Yeah, we are already in the Netherlands. Okay. Nice. Like, we are now at point 14. This is point 14. And you can see the Dutch cars. You can also see no, you can pretty much see in the architect of the buildings that it's Dutch, because it's pretty much the same build up, and that's basically where the Dutch are known for. I'm not saying I'm proud of it, but yeah, it's true. Alright, so we have to go straight, and then suddenly we have to go zigzag back onto upwards, which, like I said, I'm going to regret. Well, alright. This is the entrance to the mines, basically. You have to keep check of the battery. Now I'm getting warnings. 13%. Yeah, it's going good. Alright. What is this? Like a little pier, a docking pier. Nice. Oh, nice. It's a marking spot for gas, if you wanted to know. I actually have no clue for what this is used. Maybe transportation of personnel. I don't know, in the old days. Looks interesting. Oh, damn. I do wonder if it's still heavily in use, or I don't know. Maybe it is. I do see a lot of cars, so maybe it is in use. I have actually no idea what they are doing here. They're mining something. And it's pretty big, the operation there. Look at that. It's quite impressive, in my opinion. Let's continue. I think it's still in use, quite a bit actually, because it looks very modern. Most of the mines here in the south are actually closed, just for notice sake. pretty calm here. I do approve. I think we still have to go straight. Let me see. 9%. So when my video cuts off, I will try to switch it on. I'll switch the battery as quick as possible. It gives me a signal when it does cut off. So just so you know. Let's see. Oh, we're only halfway until we'll have to zigzag. So it's still Gucci. I sometimes have random songs in my head. You will notice that. Let me quickly look this up, because now I'm wondering. I got curious. Oh, concrete is made here. That makes more sense. Okay, that actually does make more sense. So they pretty much get the material out of the hill and make concrete. Alright, let's see. What is this? And they will use that for